Hello and welcome to my video on advanced topics. So the advanced topic that I picked was the GUI, and so to start here we have this code JFrame vidFrame equals new JFrame, and what that's going to do is it's going to create the frame in which all of our GUI components are going to sit in. And down here we can set the size by, I put 600 by 600, those are the parameters I used to make my GUI. And down here, since I need to get input for this, I put 3 different text fields. 1 and 2 are going to be for input, and the last one is for output. And then I have a J button. And what that's going to do, that's basically the calculator button, tells it's going to perform the action. And here I set the layout for my GUI. I use the grid layout, and basically what that's going to do is it's going to come up here and take these 3 text fields and the 1 J button, and it's going to form them into a grid layout within the 600 by 600 GUI JFrame. And then next, since I named my GUI frame the vid frame, I have to add all of these components that I've made into the JFrame. So I had to go one by one and add the text field, the J button, and the final text field. And I have to set the visible as true, because if I don't, you can see here that nothing will happen. But if I come back, set it as true, compile it, you'll see that it pops up and we have this GUI. So the next part is the action event handling. So what I did here was I took the J button and I set it to do the formula from my final project, and basically what it does is it retrieves the formula from the J text field, and it takes the J text field 2 and it sets both of those items as different ints. And then the final thing that it does with those is it makes a new int by running both of those things through a formula. And finally what it does is it sets that text as J text field 3 by stringing it over there. And this has been my explanation of GUIs. Thank you for watching.